fazla erkekli. Bunun 9.000'i falan kadın. Hadi. Hadi bakalım. Hello? Savana? Ne yapıyorsun? Dakika bir gol bir. Hello?
Oh, you're cute.
Thanks so much. What's up? How you doing?
From
Yeah.
Istanbul.
Yeah, I'm from Istanbul. Of course. I'm Turkish man. Turkish delight. Yes.
I know. I'm from Turkish words.
Which one?
It's kind of cringy though if I say it.
Say
It's
it.
gonna be corny.
Corny?
It's gonna sound cringy.
Cringy or corny? Which one?
Both. It's like the same
Oh,
thing.
okay.
but, like,
Tell me.
Man seni seviyorum or something like that.
It's mean
Right?
I love you.
Yeah.
It's not cringy. That's the compliment. Like this is the love. This is the thing.
No,
Like,
I know, but like I'm not Turkish, so like it's gonna sound cringy if I say it.
When did you? How could you learn this word?
Cause I used to watch Turkish shows.
Oh, which one?
Oh, I don't remember. It was like a long time ago. I used to be like such a Turkish fan.
Oh, okay. But how old are you? Bakıştan anlarsın bazen bir şey demesini. Kiki? This is the...
Hello.
Look at your nails. Damn. How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
18.
Abi ne yapıyor bir de böyle yapıyor ya. India. Saç Secon'un bok rengine. Hoven seni ne yaparım biliyor musun Hoven? Hoven yumruklarım seni. Badem atarım ağzına. Hello?
Hi.
Hi, how you doing? Senin o hi diyen ağzına tüküreceğim şimdi ya. Push me ya Khalifa Hold on a second. Can you do it again? 6 tane parmağım var. 6 parmağı vardı lan galiba. Hello? Yo. Do you hear me? Ma'am? Switzerland? Nigeria. Hello?
Yo.
Yo, what's up? How you doing? 41?
No.
How old
20.
are you? 20? I'm 21.
21.
Wait a second.
Hey.
The
Hello?
background, yeah. How tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot? It's cap.
Swear down.
Turn to the door.
I'm 5'5".
5'5". Okay. Go to her.
Hey. You want me to stand next to her?
Stand next to her. Stand next to her.
Well, I need to make sure my dog won't eat my chips.
Yeah, she could be 5'5". Yeah. Then that's mean we are the same height?
What?
Okay. Alt 0 ne demek biliyor musun? Hello?
Hello.
How you doing?
You know.
Are you okay?
Good.
Hey.
Hi.
You old top. Beni sik. Beni.
Oh,
Beni
I've
sik.
done that.
Beni sev.
He sounds like a minion.
Am I? What?
Huh? You sound like a minion.
Yeah, you sound like me too.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
What? How old are you?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Beni sev. Minecraft. Gamer power mı? Burada oyun mu oynuyorlar? Cringe. Abi insanlar eğleniyor. Birebir eğleniyor. Bak mallık yapıyoruz. Karşılıklı. Gülüp geçiyoruz. Niye cringe diyorsunuz? Normal mallık yapıyoruz. Mallık. Malım. Beni sev. Günlük hayatta ben böyle babamın yanına geçerken şey mi diyorum? Baba. Beni. Hello?
जीवन में सब कुछ भूल सकते हैं लेकिन आपके
Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Gidiyorum. Ali Vefa. Doktor Ali Vefa. Şu anda kardiyoloji uzmanı Ali Vefa. Nesrin? Nesrin nasılsın? Nesrin sana dokunamam. Olmaz. Çünkü temasla hoşlanmam. İstemiyorum. Temas istemiyorum Nesrin.
He's good.
Dizin Nazlı. Nazlı şu an değil. Hello? Nazlı hamile misin? Nasıl? Nasıl hamilesin? Nazlı hamilesin. Sezon sonu hamile. Nazlı. Nasıl hamile kaldın? Dokunamazsın. Profesör dokunamazsın bana. Nazlı. Nazlı. Yapma. Hello? Nazlı. Ali Vefa. Yapma. Arka plan nerede? Kapattım pencereleri. Yaptım bunu. Sercan Bugs Bunny taklidi yapsana. Oğlum ben jeton atıp Rio Cuarto. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
40.
40. Oh, over.
Sí.
Sí. Mi ama Sercan. ¿Y tú?
¿Qué?
Mi ama Sercan. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Natalia.
Natalia, encantada Natalia. Geç bunu ya. Çok konuş. 40 yaşındaymış chat. Paris. Paris.
Paris.
Question de Panjean.
Paris.
Ben de diyorum Paris diyor hala.
He had a comment that said,
Yo.
"What's up?"
Gang sign?
Yes.
Ver-
Tell her stop. Tell her stop.
Shut up.
Hell, shut up.
Chill out girl. Don't do that shit. Don't
Tell her
do it.
again.
Amına koyayım. Bu ne? Vuracaklar bunu. Atsana da Twitter'a falan.
Selam.
Selam.
Hello. How
Hello.
are you?
I'm pretty good. What about you?
Turkish.
Turkish. Orospu. Yes. Christmas.
Yes.
How are you?
Nasılsın?
İyiyim. Sen nasılsın?
What does it mean?
It's mean I'm good. What about you?
Oh, okay. My sister knows Turkish. I didn't even know about this.
Oh.
Anyway,
It's okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Shel Abdil.
What?
Abdin.
Shel Abdil. Yes.
Shalabdil. Okay,
Yes. Shel
okay.
Abdil. What's your
And
name?
my name is Serene.
Sabrina.
Serene. No, Serene.
Serin.
Serin.
Serene.
Zil
Yes. And,
Sıkız. I got you.
you got me. Okay. And where in Turkey do you live?
Istanbul.
İstanbul.
Of course.
Istanbul.
Look at
Okay,
my view,
okay.
girl. Look at my view.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Are
Yes,
you on
yes.
live?
No, I am rich.
No, I mean, are you on live on
Yes,
something?
yes, I'm alive.
No, not alive, on live stream if you
Oh,
want to.
streaming, of course, yes. Free money.
You are streaming now.
Amına koyayım, soruyu cevaplamadım daha. Daha soruyu sormadan geçti amına koyayım. İnta iyi. Selam verdi sandım. Selam verir gibi yapıp sol gösterip çaktıs gibi. Bravo. Hiç beklemiyordum. Hiç beklemiyordum. Normalde ben yapıyorum. Veya bu arada gırtlağımı kestim ya tıraş olurken. Tam kesiyordum. Bir tık yukarı kaldırdım yanlışlıkla. Elim titredi. Hello? Oh, I met with this girl. I know her.
I saw him.
I saw you too. So what's poppin'? How we doing?
He mentioned.
You ugly.
Who ugly? Am I ugly?
That nigga.
Okay, who is better, me or him?
Yeah, you.
Oh, okay. Of course me. Look at him. Look at him. So what's poppin'? How we doing?
Amazeballs. Is that? I swear, he's the one that was like, "How can you be that ugly?" Yeah, he was. He was. Didn't you say that? Don't even lie.
I didn't say. Geçtim. O tırnakta bok vardır. O tırnakta ne yoktur ki? Hello? And Ali Chopper? European side. Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
How we doing?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm living in Istanbul. What about you?
I live in Amsterdam.
Okay, cool. Why are you sitting in the dark right now?
Because not actually, so I'm gonna explain you.
Mm-hmm.
It's because siktir lan.
Abi daha. Hello? Yarrayla mı? Şöyle yarrak olamaz. Yarrak parmaktır tahminimce. Daha balığı yemeden.
Because
Stephanie?
Stephanie.
Stephanie, what's up? How are you doing?
All called Stephanie.
Did you know we're good?
But all of you.
Yeah.
Our names are Stephanie.
Yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
18.
All of you. Okay, are you siblings or something? Like
No. We're actually triplets.
triplets.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
Okay, blondie, brown hair, and black hair. Okay, two blondie.
Huh?
Can you come close a little bit?
Sorry.
Okay, could be the left and the middle one could be a siblings, but not you.
Yeah, we're siblings,
We are
but
siblings.
she's
Yeah,
our
you could be-
cousin.
Which?
She looks like your mama. Not gonna lie, girl. Like
What?
you look like adult. Like that's not a bad word.
Who, Megan?
You look like adult. You know,
That's rude.
mature. You look like mature. Yeah,
Mitch.
mature.
Mature.
Mature.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah,
mature.
I'm
Is that
sorry. I
compliment?
don't have a British accent. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Is
We
that a
understand.
compliment?
That's compliment. You don't look like a childish. You got a mature face.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks. They look like
So-
children.
Okay, guess my age.
Okay.
Guess my age then.
You are
21.
No, I'm 21. No, I'm not 21.
No, you just said you were.
No, I'm not 21. Girls, like, chill. I'm trying to improve my English.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey,
You are 20.
I'm 20.
Oh.
So, which part of England?
I disagree.
We are from the Lake District.
I never heard that place. I know Manchester.
Yeah.
We're
London.
like 2 hours away from Manchester.
Yeah.
I know London. Brighton.
Yeah.
We're
Birmingham.
a while away from
Yeah.
Manchester.
Yeah.
I have a friend from
Birmingham.
Birmingham, and I don't
Birmingham.
understand him. Yeah, I don't understand him. He speaks different
I know,
languages.
I-
That's a sick
The
accent.
accent.
The accent, cause of accent.
Birmingham accent is not.
So, are you going to school? Working?
Yeah,
Or
we're like in our
College.
last couple of
college?
years.
I got you. I just finished my high school, I guess. I'm in university right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be pilot.
What you? Oh, pilot.
Yeah,
Really?
Oh.
yeah.
What? Are you flying planes?
I like. Well, that's what a pilot is, isn't it?
No,
Are you
I'm
flying
gonna
planes
sail.
now?
I'm gonna sail.
No. But are you actually doing that?
No, I'm practicing.
Now.
He's
It's
learning.
gonna be my last year. I have a 1.5 years, I guess. Become a pilot.
Do you know what plane? Do you know what airline you do?
Airline. Oh, I work with Qatar Airways. You know?
Is that from Istanbul?
No, Qatar Airways.
Oh, Qatar.
Qatar,
Oh,
yeah.
is that a posh one?
Yeah, that's the best brand in flight company. The best flight company. Avradını siz bana bakın lan. The best flight
Yeah,
company. The
that
best
is-
flight.
It looks nice.
It's look like that's why. I know 6 languages. I'm still trying to improve my English.
6.
Yeah.
6 languages.
Yeah. Spanish,
That is impressive.
Spanish, Turkish. Trying
Oh, I
to
know Spanish.
improve my
Hola.
English. Hola, ¿cómo
Fluent.
estás? ¿Todo
Not
bien?
fluent, but
Arabic,
not really
Arabic,
speak
Arabic,
fast.
Arabic,
Wait, can you speak French?
Arabic. No français.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Todo bien y tú?
Mi amo Stephanie.
No.
Muy bien.
Mi amor means my love.
Yeah.
No, mi amo. Mi lamo.
Mi lamas.
Mi amo.
Mi
Mi
lamas.
lamas
Mi lamas.
Stephanie.
Mi lamas Stephanie. Encantada Stephanie. Mi lamas Sercan.
Bien.
Yeah.
No, that's French.
Todo bien.
Bon. No, that's... Wait, is bien?
Bien, it
Spanish.
means good.
yeah, it's from
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, bon is French.
Muy bien. Very good.
Bien.
So I'm trying to improve my English. It's gonna be 6. Then okay, I'm done.
That's good.
What did you say? What did you say?
What did you say?
English is gonna be my 6th language. So if I figure out
okay.
English,
Yeah,
it's gonna be my 6th.
Yeah.
That's why I'm working with Qatar Airways.
That's really cool.
Yeah, this is the most important thing
I
is
really
language.
That
Yeah.
is good.
Mhm.
What do you need to know? Like a lot of languages.
I think they do.
Say it
'cause,
again.
like,
Do you need to know a lot of languages to work?
6
like-
enough.
Oh.
Yeah, of course. Language is everything for the business.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I can't even speak English.
The more you know, the better.
Yeah. Because of my daddy and mama. My mom is from Spanish.
is she?
Oh, she's from
Spanish.
Spain.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
dad is from Turkey. And my dad can speak Arabic and Turkish. He learned me Turkish and Arabic. My mom teach me, as I say, like Spanish. And he's improved my English too.
What's Dobobushnia?
Yeah.
Is that Ukraine? Ukraine?
Yeah.
Dobobushnia.
Dobabushnia.
What is that?
Is that Ukrainian?
I think that's Ukrainian.
Could be Ukrainian word. Around Russian or something. I don't know.
We
Dobobushnia.
don't like Russia.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Miss Avery made us say it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
That's Ukrainian. Russian.
So,
Yeah.
what?
Are you like fluent in Polish?
Mhm.
Can you speak some Polish?
Yeah. What do you want me to say?
Do you not speak Polish?
She
Yeah, I speak
speaks
Polish.
Polish.
Really, my ex-girlfriend was Polish.
Really?
Yeah.
Was she bad?
She is.
Oh.
She was, I guess. She's a little bit nasty in
Oh.
this year, but I just broke up with her. She's acting nasty, you know.
Oh, not good.
Yeah, he's
I'm not
while
nasty.
while dating with me, while get a relation with me, he's also talking with
She
someone.
cheated on you.
No, she didn't, but she almost. Yeah, so I'd say fuck off.
Almost.
I say fuck off. You don't
Oh,
deserve me.
true.
Then I just move on.
That's not good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm 20. I'm young, so
Yeah, you've got time. It's not the
you
end of the
too.
world.
You too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we do.
So okay. Very nice to meet you. I
Nice
hope
to
you
meet
get a
you.
very wonderful day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, okay, goodbye then.
Wait.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Ben götten sallıyorum. Nasıl götten sallıyorum? Hello?
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Nice.
Doing good.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany.
But I'm half Turkish too.
What's your name?
Mina.
Mina. Okay, who is your Turkish side? Father or mom?
My father.
What's your last name?
Jambulat.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Good Jambulat. Do you know speak Turkish?
Just
Kinda.
a few words. My dad's still teaching me. The problem, I was born in Germany and
Which side of Germany?
the bad side, but like
What does that mean, the bad side?
North Westphalia. I don't know if you know it. It's like
No, I don't know. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Got it. Is it your siblings or cousin?
No, that's my
Şimdi
best.
geç ya, bu gözlükle konuşamam. Yalamam, geç. Geçtim, o gözlükle muhabbet edemem. Yapamam chat. Yapamam. Oğlum ben kafayı yedim ha bu evde. İyi değilim. Ben niye buraya taşındım ya? Aynısını Tuzla'da da yapıyorum. Ben buraya niye taşındım? Dışarıda çıkmıyorum. Yalanlarına inanmaya başlama amına koyayım. Kerem, ben mi? Manzarayı göstereyim bari, harbi işe yararsa. Şöyle al amına koyayım. Şöyle mi konuşayım? Hello. Yes, manzara. The view. Wonderful. Sercan, evde şu an teksin ve kameraya konuşuyorsun. Evet, evde tekim ve kamerayla konuşuyorum. O ne demek amına koyayım? Yayıncı yapan herkes spastik o zaman. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm pretty good. How old are you?
I'm 19. How old are you?
Yes.
20.
I'm 21.
Oh, I was close.
Yeah,
Hang
that
on.
was close. That was close. Is that poster?
I don't get up.
Bir tane koyacağım, şöyle geri çıkacağım. Ama var ya, uçacak. Deleceğim amına koyayım arkadaki monitörü. Hang on dedi. Bekledim. Oturdu düzgünce. Siktir oldu gitti. Bob Marley. Su var mı ya? Kola da bitmiş. İnternet bitti, Avrupa'da insan bitti. Latinos. İspanyolca yüklensin bir anda. Evet. Meksiko. El Salvador. Ayvon aldı kola. Oğlum bitmiyor ki. Tek başıma nasıl içeyim hepsini? 700 tane içecek almış. Çok fazla kola içen, Red Bull içen bir insan değilim zaten. Günde bir tane içiyorum. Bir ay gider. Meksiko. El Salvador. Global yapacağım ya. Middle East, North Afrika, oraya şura, global offensive. Madeline. Hello?
Hi.
Yaptın gene. İşte. Taşak geçiyorlar. Neye güldü acaba? Tipime güldü. Neye gülecek? Geç beni geç hadi. Geç. Luna. Irak'ta Luna isimli birinin yaşama ihtimali yok arkadaşlar. Philippines. Kristin. Bu geç. Bu amını falan parmaklı olabilir. Hello? Mexico? Mexico. ¿Qué quieres? Nada. Bien, bien. Te amo. Nada. Si Dios. ¿Por qué no? Buruna bak. Gargamel geçtim. Olita, how you doing? Ola WhatsApp. Ola gel chat'e. Hacim. Hacı right. Satyam bunu geç. Hello?
What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Like chilling. Is-
Okay, type shit.
Did you dye your hair? Arkada
Nah, this
bu
not
ne
my
lan?
hair.
Oğlan. Niye yanında oğlan varken manki yapıyorsun?
Probably the bottom.
Klavyemle stil series. Oğlan oğlum. Ben bıyıkları keseceğim ya. Az kaldı bıyıklardan kurtulacağım. Yani kurtulmayacağım da düzelttireceğim. Ya da daha gürmüz tutsam böyle. Daha bol. Şöyle uzatayım. Saçı ne zaman? Yarın açacağım galiba saçımı arkadaşlar. Saçımı yarın açıyorum. Sonra bir 3 vurma makarası geliyordu. 3'e şimdi vurmasam mı ya? Kilo alınca mı vursam? Yakışır yani. İlla ki yakışır. Yani illa yani bir tık daha giyimimi 3 numaraya uygun giyinirim. Anladın mı? Sen geç bir şunu. Bir tık öyle yani tarzımı değiştiririm 3 olduğu sürece. Şunu da geç. Hello? I cannot hear you. Oh my gosh. Çok yakışıyor neyi kesiyorsun? Sıkıldım kanka. Ama bir de harbi havalar. Bere makarasına düşesim var. Böyle çok oturdu sana üzülürsün. Beyin sağ tarafı ve sol tarafı eşit olmamış. Düzeltiriz ya onu gider bir dakikalık iş o. Kimse üzenmedim oğlum. Sıkıldım ya uzun saçtan. Hello? Bugün akşam 8'de uyandım. Rabia bacı hoş geldin. Fransız kestir. Belki. Belki. Who knows? O zaman 12 saat yayın mı? Hüsmen geldi. Perma yapsak mı ya? Yok be. Çok kötü durur. 3'e vuracağım random atacaksın. Bir şey diyeceğim. 3'e vurduğum gün...
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. What are you doing?
I am doing nothing. You are doing?
We are doing nothing.
You are doing nothing
Just,
also.
watch your face.
What's my what?
What?
What?
Speak English.
No, I am already speaking English.
No, brother. No, but. Don't say this word.
I never said any bad words, bro.
No, you say bot. You see a bot.
No, I didn't say but.
No, you see a bot.
What are you doing
hear
now?
I am
Are you live?
I'm jerking off.
Are you live?
I'm on love. No love. I'm jerking off.
Oh,
Yes.
I don't understand.
Bro, jerking off.
I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Jerk. Got the jerk.
Are you
You're
doing?
jerk like this.
Yes, like this. No, like this.
Ah.
Like this.
But you doing like that, bro.
Yeah. This is too much, bro. Like this, yes. Yes.
No, we doing like this.
No,
You do
this
like
is too much, bro. It's
That means you have a little dick.
sometimes like
Why
this. Small like
No,
this,
do this.
big like this.
Do this.
Bro, this is what the fuck is this?
You. What the fuck is this? It's very good. It's give you a perfect feel.
Yes.
Just do it. Just try it.
Okay, I will try after the talk, bro.
Yeah, try it.
Try
Okay.
it here right on camera.
I will send you pictures to my dick.
Bro, first of all, fix your ears, bro. Are you a helicopter? Are you a helicopter,
Okay,
bro?
shut the fuck up, bitch.
Shut the fuck up. Why are you talking like
Look at
that?
your face, man. You
Let-
like Steve, bro.
What?
Look at your fucking face, bro.
Steve?
You look like Steve,
Bro.
bro. Minecraft, nigga. Go fuck yourself, man.
What did you
Look
say,
at
bro?
something.
Are you fucking living
at your
in
beard,
Libya?
bro. You
Shut
a
your
grown-ass
ass up.
man.
Look at your hair.
Go find
Nasty.
your job,
Find
bitch.
some
Go find a
shower
job,
and go
bitch.
take a
Find job,
shower.
bitch. Shut the fuck up,
Go
bitch.
take a shower.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Look at your glasses.
Shut the
You're
fuck up.
fucking fake Mia Malkova.
I'm gonna take a screenshot.
Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Bu ne ya? Hello?
Yeah.
Hi. Oğlum hi diyorum, hello diyorum anlamıyor. Mia'lar karışıyor. Mia Malkova var, Mia Khalifa var, Mia Burj Khalifa var. Mia kedi var Mia. Mia başka ne var? Mia Fitz var. Mia Melano onu tanımıyorum. İzmir. Türk müsün? Yok, soruya baksana. Amerika. Nesin? Lex Luna var. Lex Luna'yı tanırım. Selamünaleyküm.
Hello.
Hello.
You from Turkey?
Yes, of course.
I will come to Turkey in May
Say it
next
again.
year.
Next year? What, where?
I will
Which
come
city?
to Turkey,
Okay, Turkey. Okay, nice.
Istanbul,
Turkey. Istanbul. Okay. What are you gonna do in Istanbul?
on a school trip.
On a school trip. Gelme. Don't come. Don't come.
Why not?
Schools are full. Schools are full artı full. Full plus full.
Bro, in my school they're organizing a school trip to Turkey
Oh, trip.
Istanbul.
You are not gonna stay. You are not gonna leave.
for
Oh.
1 week. I will stay.
Oh, for vacation.
Kinda, yes.
Yeah, I got you. School trip.
School trip, yes.
I got you. How old are you?
God. 18.
18. I hope you like
How
Istanbul.
old are you?
I'm 35.
I hope. 35.
Yes.
35.
35.
You look younger.
Yes, I'm looking. I am always doing my self-care every morning, and every. Yes, of course. That's why. I
That's
like.
cool.
I'm using some things on my nose. Sometimes my here for the
For
doing Botox.
Cheeks.
Cheeks, yes.
Forehead.
Forehead, but depends. If I my boret. Ananı boret ne ya? Dilim dönmüyor ki amına koyayım. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Are you living Japan?
Yeah.
Oh,
Priscilla.
but you don't look like from here.
I don't look like what?
You don't look like Japanese. You don't look like Japanese.
Oh,
Where are you from?
Japan.
But you don't look like Asian. That's what I'm trying to say.
I don't give a fuck. Does that matter?
It's not
Does
matter.
that change my race?
Can I ask 2 questions?
No, you can't. Now get your ass out of here.
First of all, how old are you?
Shut the fuck up.
Ananı götten sikerim delirtme şimdi. I'm trying to be nice to you. I'm trying to be gentleman. I'm trying to be nice to you. Motherfucker. Allah Allah ya. Yarrağa bak. Kesin period da. Period. İngilizcesine adet. Adat. Kesin.
Forense.
Cafarense.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Habla español?
Un poquito. Perdóname. Lo siento. Te amo español, Roberta.
Yo no hablo nada de inglés.
Nada. Sí.
O sea, little.
Little and also un poquito. Okay, sí.
Un poquito.
¿Hablas inglés?
Muy poquito.
Muy poquito. Joder. Houston.
And use it?
Unisex. Aynen. Aptal. Unisex mi dedi? Ben o unisex mi çıktı lan benim ağzımdan? Unisex. Ha? Unisex mi dedim ben? Bağdat Asma. Morocco. Kuribika. Yüklenmedi. Six demedim oğlum. Sex de demedim. Use it dedin değil mi? Use it de demedim. Ne dediğimi de hatırlamıyorum ki. Bir şeyler çıkıyor ağzımdan konuşuyorum. Hello?
Are you from Turkey?
Yeah, I'm from Turkey.
Do you want to see my boyfriend from Turkey?
Really? Oh,
I swear,
I
yeah.
know him.
You might know
what's
him,
his
yeah,
name?
I
What's his name?
promise. Ramazan.
Ramazan Eid Mübarek. Oğlum niye geçtin? Ramazan'ı göreydik. Hello? I'm sorry. I just yelling to the past person. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
She swears to me and I'm getting mad, but I'm okay right now. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
That was a weird starting, but I'm just
Yeah,
I'm
but it's
just chilling.
okay.
I'm
I've
just
had
trying
I've
to
had
improve.
weirder.
Yeah,
I've had weirder. It's
I
okay.
know, I know. I'm sure about that. So,
Yeah.
where are you from?
I'm from Ireland. Whereabouts are you from?
I'm from Turkey, Istanbul.
Ooh,
Yeah. So, how old
I've
are
never
you?
been. I'm 18.
18. You look like 25 or something. You look like
Really?
that's a compliment. I'm trying to say you have a mature face. Yeah. So, how's Dublin?
Shit.
Shit. Why?
Yeah. It's just very bad.
Boring?
Nothing to do in Dublin.
Yeah.
Very boring,
Boring.
yes.
You should come over here.
I know. I'd love to go over to Turkey.
Like Turkey, could be Spain, Madrid.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, did
Yeah.
you ever visit some countries? Like,
I visited Portugal
how is
and
Portugal?
Paris. That was it. It was good.
People say Paris smells like a shit. It's true.
I don't know. I've only been to Paris. When I went to Paris, I was very young.
When?
I was about 7 years old.
Damn.
Yeah.
That was 11 years ago. So, never mind. Paris has
Yeah.
changed. So,
Yeah.
what you doing in Dublin? Are you going to school?
No, I don't. I'm not in school anymore.
Working?
I'm just kind of.
I'm just kinda deyip geçen o var ya, ne yapacağım biliyor musun? Ayağımı bir tane vuracağım şimdi. Ayağımı göstereceğim yayına. Muhabbet ediyorduk ya. Ne güzel. Hiç abi o kadar iyi, o kadar konuyu bak cinselliğe getirmiyorum. Konuyu düzgün tutuyorum. Konuyu şöyle tutuyorum. Konuyu buna mı getireyim?